Hello, my name is Demetrius, and I'm about to tell you about the Canon 5D OS Mark II. Okay, so first, let's take a step back and start with my Samsung Galaxy 2 8-megapixel onboard phone camera. I'm shooting from behind the Canon D so that you can see that the actual camera is recording in front of it. This demonstrates for you the quality of what Samsung offers us with the ability to compare the two footage samples amongst itself when I cut to the other side, which is the Canon. Alright, so pulling from these images, you see the Canon 5D, which is a 22 megapixel camera with tungsten indoor lighting from a ceiling fan that was placed above. Okay, here, so from Halloween, I added some pictures that I've taken during Halloween within my house while we were going out, running around, looking at different types of aspects of what this particular camera can do, the quality of the pictures. The ISOs are set to all auto. These next two pictures are pictures coming from my Samsung, and you can see the difference in depth of field for these two pictures. Alright, so these next series of video are just random videos that I pulled from my archives that I use to show different light settings. Some are tungsten, some are low light tungsten, some are club low light. It's just a variance of different types of lighting. You'll see how it performs. Watch this. The light in this footage had a red filter over it, which I'll give you this what you see before you. This is probably my favorite area of the club. The next scene after this transition will be onboard audio.
If you get money, say hey, hey. If you got a hater, say hey, 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 hey. Tell her, DJ.
This is Little Scrappy from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. He's doing a show. Well, what I have here in my hand is actually the Canon 5D camera that I've actually been playing around and showing you guys what is so cool about some of its features. This Canon 5D has a very easy operating system that you can easily maneuver around with. I just pressed the onboard display button. It's a cute little button that actually exists right here. If you want to see it, you don't want to see it, now you'd be looking through here. But if you press this button again, this button will allow you to go through and look at it without actually putting your eye on it, which is real cool when you're shooting something and you're trying to position the camera and get the camera and your rule of thirds and making sure that it's all framed correctly. You also have right here, there is a little button that is the menu button. On this menu button, there is the coolest options that you have available for simply just turning the dial. You can move through the particular menu button. You can go left or right to select your particular setting that you want. Once when you selected the camera list, you can go down and you can actually select it. It's really easy. The other thing about the Canon is that it has layers of menus, so that it really kind of makes it so that you don't have a whole bunch of cumbersome buttons on. If you're looking as a student to do any type of film project that you have available in the future, please consider actually buying a Canon 5D.
I love Mercy.
If not.